today we're going to be learning about why we should not watch electronics too much. You can watch it for 10 minutes, maybe 20 or half an hour, but it might just make your eyesight lose. If the teacher told you it's 15 at 5 and there's another girl versing you, me versus you, and then you didn't know what the answer is, but it was on the board, and your eyesight wasn't good. So how would you know? Oh, I know 15 add 5 is 20, but how would you know what number should I press? You might be slow because of your eyesight, basically. But if you are doing your work, it doesn't mean your eyesight gets loose, like weak, but it kind of makes your brain sharp. You know the meaning of homophone, that might make your brain sharp, more interested of studying. If you agree on me, then say, Anna was watching TV for the whole day. If you agree on me that her eyesight will get like really weak, but if you challenge me, comment down below which one you think is right, that her eyesight will not get weak. Do you think A is right or B? I hope you learned something from this video. Please like, subscribe. It only takes 3 seconds to subscribe. It's just a red button and a like button. Bye!